guys, you got this box in your mailbox. It is your new charger cord so that you can take your charger cord for your current new laptop home with you. This one will remain plugged in at all times. So I need you to take it out of the box and put it together. It should already have your room number labeled. It needs to be, at the end of the year, remain with your room things in your technology box. Go ahead and connect the two pieces, and as you can see, one end looks like this, one end is your plug-in. The end that looks like this is going to go into your box, and it goes right here. Right there. And then is going to continue to plug in and out through the side right here. Just leave that hooked up at all time to your box, and then at the end of the year it goes into your technology box. Let me know if you need help.